1 year ago, I made the decision to step outside of my comfort zone. I took a step towards doing something I've never done, something I had zero experience in. I started this channel with a camera and a curiosity for travel and a love of food. Today, I'm unboxing the Insta360 X5 and planning some of my biggest adventures yet. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday season. I cannot believe that we are already starting a new year. It feels like just a few months ago that I uploaded my first YouTube video, and here it is almost 1 year later. March will be 1 year since I uploaded my first video, and I cannot believe how quickly time has flown by. Just last week marks 1 year since I joined LCA, the Lost Creator Academy. It's a content creation community full of like-minded individuals that have pushed me to stay consistent and to grow, and to be part of such a supportive community has been life-changing. The people are incredible. They have been so supportive and they offer great advice, and they know what they're doing as well, or they're in the same boat as I am and just having started out. If anyone is thinking about starting a YouTube channel or just any content creation platform to begin with, I would highly recommend joining a community where you could have such a great support system and to help you along the way. So if anyone is interested in learning more about LCA, just let me know in the comments below and I can give you more information, or I could answer any questions. And if I can't answer any questions, then I can hook you up with someone who can. So just let me know if you're interested. My channel is about traveling and trying new food and just saying yes to new experiences. So I thought this would be the perfect moment to talk about what is next for this channel. So I'm going to be talking about what I have planned so far for this year, as well as unboxing my new camera setup. I have this big box that came the other day and I have yet to open anything up, so we'll be looking at it together. If you've been here from the beginning, or if you are brand new to my channel, thank you so much for your support and for all of your positive comments and feedback, and just for watching my content. Your support means so much to me and it does not go unnoticed, so thank you. Do I want to share what I'm doing this year first, or do I want to show you my camera? I think I'll talk about what I'm having planned for this year. That way you'll know why I got the camera that I did. So I have 3 things that I am looking forward to so far this year. The first being that I am in the early stages of planning a trip to Australia, and I am so excited. Australia has been on my bucket list of travel destinations for as long as I can remember, and I am so looking forward to it. I'm gonna go in the spring, and my best friend has been down there for about a year now, so I'm gonna go down, I'm gonna visit her, spend some time, and I'm just looking forward to it. The food, the coastal views, the warm weather, I'm just looking forward to all of it. If you've been to Australia, please let me know down in the comments any restaurant recommendations that I should try, or just food in general, anything I should do, places to see. I'm not entirely sure on how long I'm going to be down there for. Secondly, again in the spring, I hope to be going to Wisconsin. There's 3 things that I really want to do there, 2 of which are weather dependent, so I can't really book that trip until last minute when I know for sure that the weather is going to be okay. But that's something to look forward to. And the last thing that I know for sure that I am 100% doing, I'm going to learn how to snowboard. And I am equally as nervous as I am excited. So I tried snowboarding once, probably 20 years ago. Let's just say it did not go well. It didn't go well. But I'm going to try again. And this time I am all in. The lessons, the falls, the wins. I am here for it all. And it is going to be documented on my new camera. So that's what I have planned so far for this year. And also there's going to be probably more restaurant videos, trying new foods. That's always something that I enjoy. So With that being said, let's get into showing you the camera. Now, this unboxing of the camera, I'm not going to really get into the whole technical specs of it. There's a lot of YouTube videos out there that do a great job at that. I've watched them myself. This is more just showing you what I bought and why I bought it. So yeah. And I must say, so there's 11 or 12 different items in this box, and the way they packaged it, it was so organized. And yeah, see if I can get it back in the box when I'm done. Okay, so I will start with the camera itself. So I got the Insta360 X5, and I specifically got this because I knew I wanted to learn how to snowboard, and to have a 360-degree camera is just going to be so helpful for that, because I don't have to worry about, you know, filming like the correct angles and anything like that. All I have to do is just hit record and let it go, and everything is captured. So that's going to make it super easy. Oh, okay, so first impressions. It is a lot heavier than the camera that I have now. Right now I'm currently using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Which is what I'm using to film this video on. But yeah, this is a lot heavier than that. I would say it's actually, I can hold it up next to it. This is actually shorter than the DJI. And then, let's see what's in here. Oh, okay. Just comes with a little pouch to put it in. That's cool. And before I continue on, I do want to mention that I am not sponsored in any way, shape, or form by Insta360. I bought everything myself. All of my thoughts and opinions are my own, so we're good. Just a little disclaimer. So while we are on the topic of me just saying that I purchased everything myself, I do want to offer a quick tip for anyone that's looking to purchase camera and accessories. So I bought all of this from the Insta360 online store, and they have tons of bundles that you can choose from that theoretically would save you money if you were to purchase a bundle. I don't know if it's because I bought all of these items during their holiday sale or not, but I totaled everything up individually if I were to buy it, and with a bundle included with the same exact items. And it actually cost me less to purchase everything individually than with a bundle. So just a quick tip to always just do your research and check the pricing if that matters to you, if you want to save money when purchasing big items such as a camera. So moving on in no particular order, I'm just grabbing from the box. I also got a carrying case because that's one thing that I don't really have with my DJI right now. I don't have like a actual camera bag or anything like that. So I thought this was going to be really useful for me. I actually thought it was going to be like a soft bag, but this is quite firm. Oh, but that's nice. Has all of the compartments, and it's not zippered, it's just a mesh. So I think that's going to come in handy. What's next? I also bought a lens cap because, well, not even just for snowboarding, but just in general, if you're putting the camera down, you don't want to get the lenses scratched. So it's just a little protective covering. I don't know if you can see it. It's just, it's just a little protective covering for the lenses that sits on top of your camera. Also for snowboarding, I got the Action Invisible Selfie Stick. Now I actually have the, I think it's 3 meters, the really long extended selfie stick. I have that and I thought about using it, but this one, it's more for like the action sport, so I just feel like it would be more durable and less fragile and possibly fall and break and all of that stuff. I can tell you it's a lot smaller than the other one, but yeah, it has a nice grip down here, so it's not going to easily slide out. I can't remember at the top of my head of how long it extends, but also it has the screw thing on the bottom so that you could screw it into like a tripod or anything like that. So that's good. There'll be multiple uses for it, not just snowboarding. Okay, moving on. Actually, let's see if I can find it because I just showed you the stick. I also got the selfie stick wrist strap. Again, it's so that I don't drop it during my hopefully not many falls on the snowboard. But it's just a wrist strap. The battery, from what I have read, that's already included in the camera itself. It lasts a lot longer than previous models, but because I'm going to be outside not charging for several hours while I'm snowboarding, so I got the ultra battery that's supposed to last even longer. So yeah, just a battery. It actually has some weight to it. And because I got another battery, I also got the fast charging case so that I can charge multiple batteries super easily. So I had heard that within 20 minutes you can charge up to 80%. So that'll be really useful just for any trip, not even snowboarding. Next up, okay, so I bought this specifically for snowboarding. I bought the flexible adhesive mount so that I can attach it to my helmet, and so I can get great angles and not have to worry about holding anything. So they have an actual helmet mount and then this adhesive mount. And the website said both are good for outdoor activities. So I really hope I made the right choice in getting this one. I hope this holds up. I should probably test it out before I actually try snowboarding, but the only thing is with these, you can't really reuse the adhesives. So I think it's like once I set it on the helmet, like it's gonna be there. Hopefully it's strong enough to hold up. Okay, 3 more items, we're almost there. And then also I got the cooling screen protector. I just wanted a screen protector again in case I have a bunch of falls during the snowboarding lesson that, yeah, I'm protecting the screen. And then I got cooling because I just figured with other trips down the line, you know, when it gets really hot out in the summertime and stuff, that is gonna help protect my screen. I've heard some mixed reviews on this. People, you know, they mentioned, you know, if you drop the camera, it's the lens itself that's gonna break before the screen because of the way the lens shape, it comes out more for the camera. But I'd rather be safe than sorry. And then next up, I'm excited for this. I got the foldable utility handle. So it's one thing with the DJI that I always wish I had. The case that it comes with, I'm not really a fan of it. So with this, I thought I could easily just fold the Insta360 right into it when I'm not using it and just stick it in my pocket and it'll be super convenient. But it looks like the camera would just attach and the camera just slides right in here and you can put it in your pocket. I think that's a great invention and it will definitely be used. And so the last thing, there's one more package. I'm not gonna open it because, to be honest, I'm not sure if I want to return it or not. And that is the premium lens guard. So one of the features with the Insta360 X5 is that you can change out the lens yourself if it breaks. So really, if you can do that yourself, then why would you get a lens guard? My thought was with the snowboarding, all the times I fall, it's gonna help protect the lens and not break or scratch. So I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna keep this or not because like I said, we are able to change out the lens ourselves if it breaks. But really, I mean, I don't want it to break, so I'd rather protect it. But I'm not sure if this is also gonna affect the quality of the image, if it's going to fog up or get scratched or just dirty in general. So we'll see. I'm not entirely sure if I'm gonna keep it or return it, but yeah. So those are all the items. This next year is about better storytelling, trying new experiences even if they scare me a little, and bringing you along for every bite and every adventure. Whether you love travel, food, or just real experiences, subscribe and stick around because the best is yet to come. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you're new here, subscribe because there's a lot more coming. See you in the next video. Bye guys.